Hey guys, my name's Lippy and my life's a little crazy because my closet's literally a mess. Oh, hello. That was kind of a, you can see my reflection. So this is my closet. It actually is messy and I'm going to bring you in there so you can see the whole thing. But it's quarantine and I'm just trying to be a productive queen over here. And so I figured we could just kind of like dump everything out in the middle of my room and just like organize and fold it and clean it, and I'll give you a before and after my closet. And it's just gonna be real fun and real cute together, okay? So let's just like get into the closet. Like, let's go. I knew I was gonna film this video, so I like threw a bunch of clothes on the ground. Those are all clean. This is high-key embarrassing, and also this looks like so much more on camera than I feel like it is when I walk in, but like this is what it looks like. I have a shoe rack, my jeans, my shorts, all my boots are up there, and then over here like mainly dresses. You got some prom dresses. It's just a lot. So yeah. Yep, that was not the move. I just want to say, I'm ashamed of myself, and at some point I thought I was going to use like half these clothes for photo shoots, and why am I like this? Wow. Well, we found toilet paper. Ow. Okay, so here we are. This is what it looks like. Honestly, this looks so bad. This looks so embarrassing. I can't leave until I finish this pile. But what I'm going to do is just put things into categories of the type of clothing, and then if I want them or not, and then when I go in the closet, I'll probably like color organize it then. But I have Love Island on, so I'm just going to watch this chill and then kind of just speed this up, you know? So, okay, enjoy. Okay, so I folded a lot of clothes, and honestly, I don't know why I was overwhelmed, because I think I did a pretty good job of kind of having things that I know if I want to keep or not. It just really hasn't been that bad. So my biggest problem with clothes is I have a lot of business clothes, and that is just because I've always worked in worlds where I usually dress up, but with this job I have right now, I just kind of don't need to. And so what I decided is I'm going to keep like a handful of the basics that if I really needed to dress up for whatever reason, I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about it. But then over there, I have a pile of things I'm going to take to my parents' house, because I still have my bedroom over there, and they literally live like less than an hour away from me. That way when I go to my parents' house, I already have clothes, or if I need to go home to grab anything, like it's already there. So I kind of feel like I have three piles right now. I have clothes that I'm really going to donate, clothes that are going to my parents' house, and then clothes that I'm keeping with me. And so I might go ahead and start moving some things in the closet. It might not be like the forever place, but just to kind of clear out this space. So yes. It's very yellow in here, and I apologize. I did everything I could with the lighting, but we're just kind of bring clothes in here and kind of organize it from here, because I figured it'd be a little bit easier than being in the room. So enjoy. Okay, so I know this still looks like a mess, but I promise you it's all progress. This is the main pile of clothes I need to figure out what to do with. Everything else is pretty organized. And when you go in, I have these all color coordinated. I'm trying to figure out the dress situation, and then I have some long sleeve stuff there. Those shoes are all organized. I need to organize this stuff on the very top. That part's organized. But as you can tell, I'm just watching Love Island while I do all of this. But I am so hungry and I have food waiting for me, so I'm just going to try to move this pile to another side of the room and then just go eat. So that's the game plan for now. While I was trying to get to the door, I realized this right here is all my like sweaters. All my sweaters. This stuff is actually already color organized. I already did it. So I'm gonna put these back in that corner, kind of where they were, because these are literally I went through at the end of the season. I just wear sweaters all the time. So I'm gonna go put these Okay, I've eaten. I literally feel so much better. I was hangry, and now I feel like I can accomplish this room again. So sorry if this is, I need to put this down. Just wish me luck. It's a hard process, so okay, I'm gonna keep going. I ended up closing the door behind me because it was distracting. I wore this to like my 22nd birthday. It's just like a cute little jumper. I don't want to do this. This one I wore to my 21st birthday and the Ariana Grande concert. How am I supposed to get rid of these things? So cute. I got it from Paris, and it's just a denim dress. Honestly, I think it looks cuter on the hanger than it does on me, but I really like it, so I'm gonna keep it. I love this one. Definitely keeping this one. It's fringy, really cute, suede. These two I'm gonna keep because I actually wear these to work, or if you do these with sneakers, they're really cute, so I'm gonna keep this. This one's one of my favorites. It's a midnight blue, like, velvet dress. This was my graduation dress. It's just like a very white, cute dress. I'm keeping this one for any formal events. Maybe I've worn it every single year, but I just think time for it to go. I don't know what else to do, so it's time. It's time to let it go. This one I've honestly never worn. I've wanted to wear, I just like never go for it, so I think that means it's time to give away. 100% keeping this one because I think I want to take pictures with this if I go to the beach. This one I remember just wearing to a freaking sushi restaurant. I don't know why, but it is pretty cute. It's just a very like date night look. No dates, but I'm keeping it. Perfect at all, but this right here is all the clothes I want to take home. The ones on the hangers are the ones I want to put in my bedroom closet, and then here's my setup, lol. And then here's my closet again. I know it looks like a lot of clothes, but it's a change, okay? So we have it kind of color coordinated. This is more my springtime clothes. We have scarves, and then we have jewelry right here. All my dresses, like the fancier ones, are in the back, and then it kind of goes into like shorter summery ones, more of the two-piece sets, and then like the really, really long dresses. Of course, you know, you got some prom dresses. This is a bridesmaid's dress for my friend's wedding. Underneath here is where I keep little storage, like all my storage containers. So I have storage containers similar to that like big Tupperware thing for when I move my apartment. So instead of boxes, I just use those. So those are on the corner, and it's filled with like winter stuff. And then here is just like all my comfortable stuff. This is the stuff I've just been touching every single day when I've been working from home. So I have like big hoodies and sweatshirts. This is more just like t-shirts. This is like two-piece sets that match all my leggings, all my shorts, all my pants, like t-shirts. These I kind of rolled up differently. I don't think they look that great, so I don't know if I'm going to fold them up, but they're all my hoodies. And then over here are my sweaters. I did think about putting my sweaters up here, but all my cardigans are up here. So for now, I'm going to keep them over here. When you go up, you have my shorts. So you have like my denim shorts, my skirts are in the middle. And then like shorts are really soft, like print things are onto the side. And then above there are like my printed pants, my jeans. This kind of looks off. But my jeans. And then like black jeans, white jeans, like all my colored ones. And then again, the boots are up there. I have so many hangers. It's ridiculous. And then, yeah, like the boots are up there. My hats are more organized. That's like my artsy game stuff. So like nothing crazy. This is just my clothes, my dirty hampers, just like personal items. I have bathing suits over here in that bag. I don't know. Hopefully this has been helpful and this is like a clear shot of everything. But this is what my closet looks like. It just looks like a lot regardless, but I promise it's so much more organized than it was. And you can see the ground, which I do make sure you can. Like I do make sure you can see the ground, but you can especially see it today, which is nice. And yeah, this is the closet. And you've made it. We've made it to the end of the video. I cannot believe I spent all day cleaning out that closet. I cannot believe it took that long, and I cannot believe it still doesn't look perfect. I think it's just because, like, I don't know, I have so many prints in there, so it's really hard to organize them by color. But if you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Like it, give it a subscribe, give me a subscribe, hit that bell icon notification button. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future or what you want to see, because I'm trying to figure it out. But I will see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.